frozen.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Like he's like walking on top of it.
Oh.
Don't get too confident.
Oh. I didn't put my glove on.
You have your gloves on.
Okay.
Teddy. Come here, buddy. Addie, what are you doing?
Eating it.
Why are you eating that?
But I eating it.
Is it even good?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good?
Uh-huh.
What does it taste like?
It tastes like cookie.
It tastes like a cookie? Mmm.
You want some?
I'm good, thank you though.
Oh, it's tasty. It's Teddy.
I don't know. Teddy. I think he's trying to play. Are you thirsty?
No.
No? Are you hungry? You just want to eat ice?
Yeah,
Our little snow dog. Teddy! What are you doing, Goof?
Dad,
Teddy, are you serious?
say feet.
Their mouth.
I don't want to eat, Mom.
Baby, put that ice down. Put it down. No, you don't need to be eating it. It's too cold. No, it's going to make you even more cold than what you are. You want to go watch the Teddy? Gonna hold Mommy's hand, okay? Icy. Whoa! Here, let Mommy hold your hand.